Excuse my messy desk. Okay, I'll place you right here. Come on. Finally. Okay. God, my life is so hard. Okay. Projector light for my room. So this is my current setup, and my monitor came. So this is what my floor and bed looks like right now. Yeah. Oh, that scared me. Holy cow. Oh, God. Like this. Oh, it's not gonna work. The mount did not work, so I'm just gonna set up the monitor now. Oh, from the other side.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. I think I'm probably gonna get a new mouse pad. We'll see. Okay, so my mouse pad just came in. I'm literally wearing PJ shorts. It's in here. Oh, dropped some. Whoa, it's long. Whoa. Look at this. Oh my god, that's beautiful. So this is what my setup looks like in the nighttime. Look at the pretty stars.